have this parang, kasi may play po kami ngayon na ginagawa and last night rehearsal po namin. So I have this scene na after po kasi nung scene na yun, meron akong dalang para mga paninda. So lalabas na po ako ng stage nun, dun sa may stante, pagtingin ko sa baba, kita ko yung paa. Pero paa lang, walang legs, walang body, walang muka. Eh dun ako exit. So wala akong choice, but yun lang talaga yung way ko. And then yun, nakita ko paa. Barefoot, medyo madungis. First, ito yung stante. Dito ako exit. Andyan pa lang ako sa part na yan. Nakita ko na yung paa, nakaganyan. Yan yung question. So, hindi ko na inalarma yung co-actors ko, yung director ko, because we're in the middle of the rehearsal. So, pinag-anal ko na lang. Sa akin na lang yun. Pero after the rehearsal, sinabi ko sa kanila na after may nakita ko paa. Paa.
So yung stories pala talaga dito, maraming witness. Hindi siya kwentong
Hindi ko
bayan.
pwedeng sabihin
Hindi
nila.
siya yes, siya maraming na-experience talaga.
Hindi nagsushoot dito na night. Kaya sila yung ano?
Before that.
Yeah, oo. So paglabas ko dun sa isang office ko. So dito ako sa nagkanan yung stairs dyan sa side. Pagpasok ko dun, magharap ko ganyan. May ganyan.
Nakasandal.
Ganyan. Nandito ako. So, nilagay. Kasi hindi siya first look lang. Ang problema sa akin, tinitingnan ko ulit. So, pagharap ko ganun talagang meron naka-hide. So, oo, kasi first time ko nakita ng nakaharap.
Can you describe
Kasama ko siya.
ano
Ang
yung
suot niya, parang yung uniform ng soldier na pamataas yung
soldier na Japanese or
Hindi ko sure eh, pero baka malamang gano'n. Basta, at saka ano siya, parang siyang smoke. Pero talagang makikita mo parang siyang tao. Iniisip ko nga nun, unang pumasok sa isip ko, baka kasamahan na nag-shoot. Kaya lang hindi eh, bakit ganito yung itsura niya? Tsaka di ba, ang tendency ng tao, pag nakita mo may dumadaan, silip ng ganyan. Siya hindi nakaganon lang. Hindi humihinga.
so naka-helmet or
Wala siya. Ano lang siya parang, kano ba? Basta may
kasi
mukha.
it's an apparition po
Basta may
na
mukha.
how would you describe yung kulay niya? Is it dark? Eh, medyo lighter? Gray ba? Parang mist?
Basta parang siyang smoke.
Parang so.
Pero brown. Brown, alam ko brown na suot niya. Tapos nakabotang ka dito. Ano sa buhok? Hindi ko alam kung buhok ko. Ikaw nakita mo doon. Kasi siya din kasama ko na kaya yung din minsan na mauuna ako sa kanya. Kasi baka mamaya ako ano makita. Kasi sumasabay sa akin eh.
Kaya pag umuuli kami dito or umiikot kami, lagi kami magkasama. Kasi kami yung kalimitan talaga na it's either nakakaramdam, nakakakita, nakakarinig. Yun. Hindi na siya ano eh, parang hindi na siya bago. Pero it's still scary kasi you'll never know eh. You'll never know kung kailan sila, alam mo yun.
Paparamdam.
Minsan casual na usapang ganito, bigla na lang ate, ano yun?
Yeah.
Yung ganon.
Even for us, we've been doing this for years na eh. You never know what to expect. Sometimes may mga kwentong talagang, kunwari isang location is very haunted namin kwento. Pero sa investigation namin, minsan wala kang makukuha talaga. Kumbaga tsambahan siya talaga. So you never know. And that's the reason why we're here. Greetings souls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reeve Henry and this is I Am Reverie. Tonight, we are here inside the beautiful and very historical building called Casa Comunidad de Tayabas here in Quezon Province. And for tonight's investigation, joining me is Miss Apple Fernandez, and of course, we have newfound friends from this place. We have JV and Ivy. This place has a lot of stories and claims of hauntings. So, my dearest souls, once again, please join me in uncovering the truth inside Casa Comunidad.
In the quiet heart of Tayabas City stands the Casa de Comunidad, a grand stone structure that has witnessed over 2 centuries of Philippine history. Originally built in 1776 and rebuilt in coral stone in 1831 under Governor General Mariano Ricafort, this bahay na bato blended Filipino and Spanish architectural traditions. It served many roles: a tribunal and town hall, a prison, a guest house for Spanish officials, later a school, a hospital, and wartime headquarters. Within its walls in 1841, Apolinario de la Cruz, known as Hermano Pule, was tried for leading the Cofradia de San Jose, a religious brotherhood that challenged Spanish clergy authority. His trial marked a crucial chapter in the struggle for Filipino freedom. The casa survived a devastating fire in 1877 and the bombings of World War II in 1945. Bearing the scars of each conflict, restored in the 1980s, it now stands as a museum, library, and cultural landmark, a proud symbol of Tayabas heritage. Yet beyond its stone facade, stories of spirits persists. Locals speak of iron chains rattling in the still air, remnants of its prison days. A white lady glides silently by the arched entrance, vanishing into shadows. One eyewitness recalls seeing the ghost of a Japanese soldier at the grand staircase, his uniform faint in the dim light, disappearing as suddenly as he appeared. In the library, staff report a ghostly child wandering between bookshelves with faint laughter echoing in quiet rooms. A theater actor once saw a spectral foot on the side of a shelf during rehearsal, leaving him shaken. And sometimes in the evening stillness, visitors hear soft sobs or a faint yawn beside their ear, though no one is there. Some say Esperanza, a gentle guardian spirit, watches over the casa's memories. So when you pass through the arched doors at dusk, listen closely. The past lingers here, in every whisper, every shadow. At the Casa de Comunidad de Tayabas, history lives on, and perhaps still watches.
Good evening. Ghouls were here. And immediately I have the goosebumps. Wow. Now before we continue with this investigation, I'd like to introduce to you our new friends from the city of Tayabas here in Quezon. There's JV and this is Ivy.
Hi.
Alright, so for tonight's investigation, guys, what are you expecting? Are you guys expecting to see something weird or something supernatural?
Me? No. Because it's kind of normal to us.
It became normal because we usually see them, feel them, hear them. So what I'm excited for tonight is for you to experience what we have experienced from the past months or years. That's what we're so excited about.
Yes, well, we are excited as well, and yes, like what you said, we are very excited to experience what they have experienced.
Mahangin kasi.
Hangin na.
Have you ever experienced this kind of investigation before, like having this equipment?
It's my first time.
And so,
Yeah, it's our first.
so are you excited
Yes.
to experience
Very
this? Would you be afraid then if ever there would be like responses from this equipment that we have? Because it's different from what you experienced previously.
I don't want to be afraid.
Yeah, as much as possible, I want to be afraid. I'm really excited about these machines. Is it the right
Ghostbusters.
term? Machines. So it's my first time to hold one of these, and yeah, let's see. Hopefully, we catch something from these machines.
All right.
Well, upon observing, guys, one thing I noticed, because tonight, meron tayong bagyo. Is it bagyo or...
Yeah, we have a typhoon coming tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah.
That's why, parang parating na siya ngayon. So, medyo mahangin talaga yung lugar, guys. No? So, meron kayo maririnig. I hope hindi tayo hindi ma-disrupt yung investigation natin because of these winds sa windows. Kasi yung sounds na nanggagaling sa mga windows niya, sa bintana at sa flooring niya, yung creaking sound, kasi it's an old building na rin. So I hope maging maganda yung investigation natin. So let's proceed.
Yeah.
So look at this, guys. We had a program earlier with them as the artists. Alright, good evening. Good evening to everyone in here, if there's any. I'd like to introduce myself. My name is Reeve. Ang pangalan ko po ay Reeve at kami po ay nandito hindi para manggulo. Gusto lang po namin ang katunayan sa mga kwento ng kababalaghan at may kasama daw kami sa gusaling ito. Na may mga namamalagi sa gusaling ito. Hindi po kami nandito para guluhin kayo. Malinis po ang aming intensyon. Gusto lang namin kayong makita at makausap. Kung posible ho yun, kailangan po namin ng inyong tulong or maybe just give us a sign that you are here. You can make a noise, you can scream, you can move anything, you can walk towards us, and we are not afraid of you. So please, can you just show up? I know you can hear me if there's any spirits in here. Let us know if you are here with us. Wait, anong meron dito?
Yung stairs. Going down.
Ito yung stairs going down. So, dyan tayo mamaya. Kasi may kwento dyan, right?
Few sightings, few experiences.
Yes. Doon sa side na yun.
That side.
Yeah. Kasi that's one thing I noticed. Kanina pag-akit natin, doon nakakita ko nakatingin. Sa dulo na yun. Kaya dito, ito yung pinasok ko agad itong side na to. And, where?
There, in that
Oh,
area.
that's in that area? I think we should go there first. Wow. The cold breeze is not helping.
Sige po.
Oh, here. Where? Here. Ah, dito mismo. And you were standing where?
There.
There.
Over there. Alright. I think, sige, move back.
This is where I saw a guy sitting. So it's one of our rehearsal days. And then I think I was the first one to arrive. And then I don't know, for some reason I chose this stair. I don't usually use this one because I'm really scared. But for some reason on that particular afternoon, I chose this stair. I chose this way. And then when I reached that part, oh my gosh, I had goosebumps. When I reached that part on the lower part, I saw a guy sitting in this area, in this position. Okay, someone.
Yes.
Exactly like this position. I can still remember.
Okay. It's a guy, not a boy.
It's a guy. He's a huge one. So I'm pretty sure he's a guy.
Alright. Okay, so I think you guys should move back. Go there. Okay. Ito yung diretso din to sa, ano kanina?
Sa ballroom.
Sa ballroom yan, yung area. You have phones with you, right?
It's on airplane mode.
Okay, it's an airplane mode na. So, kanina, we told them na if they have phones with them, it should be on airplane mode. Huh?
Ang lamig.
Behind you?
Yes.
Behind you? Okay, so I have here two EMF meter readers, and we're not gonna put it here because, as you can see, there is a circuit breaker behind Apple. But what do you feel?
As soon as you asked me to come here, right?
Mm-hmm.
So as soon as I got here, I feel a cold breeze. And then that's why I turned my back to check if there's a window, but then it's just a wall.
But behind you is a door that
Yeah,
leads to
but
this.
with a
This is the backstage area, I think.
One of our makeup area.
Makeup area.
Costume
there's
area.
nothing in here. There's nothing.
Yeah, but there's,
Walang hangin.
yeah. As you can see, the windows are all closed. And Apple's here, and she felt a cold breeze. So, this is the place where Ivy saw a man that looks like a soldier. So we're gonna put our EMF here. And we're gonna put the other one in here. Kita pa po?
Yeah.
Okay. Sino ba kayo?
Oh!
What?
Is that
Oh.
you? Malayo kay.
That's not me.
Oh my gosh.
It's detecting something.
That's what I was talking
Oh
about.
my
That's why I was
gosh.
asking you guys.
Okay, so one more time, let's try this. One more time. To all the spirits in here, if there is any, we want to see you. Now's the time to show up, or just maybe show us a sign. We have some equipment over there that you can touch. You can play with it. Or maybe you can just
Make it
take
deep.
it maybe. If you're here with us, make it beep twice. You see that thing over there? Make it beep twice. Can you please do that?
Say it in Tagalog.
Kung in Tagalog, kung meron po kami kasama mga espiritu o kaluluwang nandito sa aming harapan, pwede nyo po bang hawakan ang mga gamit na nasa inyong harapan? Pwede nyo po itong hawakan, pailawin. We just want proof, kailangan lang po namin ng patunay na nandito po kayo sa inyong lugar. Ulitin ko, wala po kaming masamang intensyon. Gusto na po namin ng patunay na may kasama po kami. Maaari po ba yun? There you go. See that? It beeped? How many times?
Twice.
Twice. Thank you. Now, since you're there, wow, goosebumps.
I know.
Woo!
He's here. No.
If you are here, can you see this? I want you to touch this. You can just approach it like that. Can you please do that? If you're gonna do that, you're gonna be very happy. Okay? Okay? So you're there? So you're there? Are you there? Can you touch that REM pad? Make it beep. Come on, you can play with it. No, not that one. I want you to touch the other one. Hawakan niyo po yung dilaw na ilaw na yun, no? Pwede mo ba yun?
Wow.
Okay, this is what we're gonna do. Pong patay ng ilaw.
Okay lang po ba sa inyong dalawa?
Okay lang? Yeah. May flashlight naman si JB. If you want it dark, we'll give you dark. Pwede may patay ilaw mo, JB. Okay, so here we go. Now's the perfect time to show up. If you're a Japanese soldier, konnichiwa, daijoubu desu ka? 3, 2, and 1. Wait a minute. Sige, Pong, bukas ilaw saglit.
Check na po.
We're not yet done here. We're not yet done here. Now wait a minute. This one, guys, is a motion sensor. It's a motion detector. And let's see if it will work. I'll point it like this para yung nakita mo na guy, right?
Yeah.
JB.
Yeah.
Okay. Sige po, patay ito. The next time na bumukas yan or tumunog, that means something. Okay, so,
Alright.
alright.
No way.
Yan pala yung gusto mo, hindi yung isa.
Wait a minute. So are you there? Is that really you? If that is really you, can you please come to us? If you're downstairs, if you're over there, can you please come upstairs? We are here. We just want to be friends with you. You don't mean any harm. If that is really you, can you please go to it one more time? We just want proof, guys. We just want proof. We just want proof. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you. Wow. So, are you here on the stairs? If that is a yes, can you touch this green light right here? If that is really you, can you touch this one? Make it red. Touch it and make it red. Wait, please fight with it.
Yeah.
Batayan niyo yung green, ha? If that is really you, can you touch this one? The one I'm pointing. The one with the green light. I know you can do it. I know you can do it. Can you please go to it? Or if you like that blue light, the one with the music, can you approach it one more time? Can you please do that? We want more proof. I'm not yet convinced that it's really you. We want to know how powerful you are. If you are powerful, if you're strong, please show us more sign. So yung nakikita nyo na yan, it's pointing there. So, hindi niya madedetect siya kung sobrang layo niya. And definitely hindi tayo. So, tumunog na siya twice. Pangalawang beses niya tumunog. Let's see kung tutulog pa. Okay. I think naiintindihan niya ako yung Tagalog.
Hmm.
I think you want me to speak in Tagalog, no? So ulitin ko po, magandang gabi po. Thank you. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpaparamdam. Bukod sa gusto ninyong paglaruan at lapitan yung kulay blue o pulang ilaw na nakikita ninyo, maaari niyo po bang lapitan yung kulay? Okay? Pwede niyo po bang lapitan yung kulay dilaw na ilaw na yon? Yung kulay dilaw na ilaw po, pwede niyo po bang lapitan? Kita dyan po? Nakukunan natin? I'm sorry guys, I have to speak now in Tagalog because it seems that it prefers the Tagalog language. And it's easier actually, so it's better for me. Nakikita niyo po ito, itong iniilawan ko. Maaari ho ba kayong umakyat dito papunta dyan? As you can see guys, hindi niya na-detect yung ilaw. Ayan o. Hindi tumutunog yung sensor natin. Kasi kailangan motion talaga yung ma-detect niya. Ayan. Ilang beses na? 3? Yes. So, kung naiintindihan niyo po kung nang naririnig ninyo ako, maaari niyo po bang hawakan yun? Yung iniilawan ko po na yun. Maaari niyo po bang hawakan or alin man sa dalawa? Maaari niyo po bang hawakan sa pagbilang ko ng 3 in 3, 2, 1. Oh my God!
Paborito niya.
Wow!
Gusto niya ng news.
Ito yung gusto niya. Pero that's on cue.
That's on cue. Yes.
That's on cue. That's something.
Wow.
That's on cue. And it's still moving. It's still there.
Does it have to be that long?
No, it means it's still there.
Oh my gosh, I'm getting goosebumps, I swear. Same.
Thank you. Thank you, that was very nice. Sobrang pinagpapasalamat po namin. Pero uulitin ko po, pwede ho ba na etong alin dito sa dalawa ang hawakan ninyo? Kung naiintindihan niyo po ako, pwede ho bang alin dito sa dalawa? Maaari po ba yun? Ulitin po natin. Bibilang po ako ng 3 hawak.
I think that's more than enough.
No,
Oh my gosh.
yes, well, kung tutuusin, sige, kung tutuusin, dinig naman ako dyan, ano? Kung tutuusin, that's proof that there's really something going on. Pero, hindi tayo kontento doon. We want a solid proof. That's why gusto natin, yung pinuturo ko yun ang hawakan niya. Kasi, kung ito lang ang gusto niya hawakan, it's fine. But, gusto namin kayong subukan. We want to test you. If that is really you, kung kayo po talaga ang humahawak nito at lumalapit dito, maaari niyo po bang hawakan yan, yung iniilawan ko alin sa dalawa, o kaya ito? Maaari niyo po bang gawin yon? Kahit isang beses lang po. Ulitin ko po, bibilang ako ng 3. Sa pagbilang ko po ng 3, hahawakan niyo po alinman dito, ito o ito. Ready na po ha? In 3, 2, and 1. What the heck? Oh my God! Oh my God! Kinikilabutan ako pong. Look! Pong, can you see this? Look!
Actually, it's weird because Pong, you told us a while ago that this place is kind of cold,
Yeah.
right?
Uh-huh.
Yes.
And right now I'm feeling this really hot.
Now you're feeling it.
Hot.
It's hot.
It's hot. It's
Yes.
hot air actually.
Wait, can I borrow this? Okay, one more test. One more test. Sige
Ayan
po,
yung pinakamahirap na.
Bubuksan mo na yan. Ito po, ito ang pinakamahirap patulugin sa lahat. Okay? Ito ang pinakamahirap patulugin. So, ayan ako yan.
That's him.
Ilalagay ko po ito dito. Dito mo siya nakita, JV, right?
Yes, sir.
Uy,
Jesus Christ. Really?
tumunog.
No, this one. It's this
Yan yung tumunog.
No, nag-calibrate yan.
Nag-calibrate mo na.
So, nag-calibrate na siya tapos na mag-calibrate. So, okay. So, here's what we're gonna do. Meron po akong nilagay na gamit dito. Ito po, tinuturo ko, iniilawan ko. Kung nakikita po ninyo, kung kasama pa rin po namin kayo, sana po kasama pa rin namin kayo dito. Sa mga oras na ito, maaari nyo po bang lapitan yan? Umupo lang po kayo dito. Kahit isang beses lang po, maaari nyo po bang patunogin yan? Maaari po ba yun? Sige po, papatay ko ang ilaw. Kita po. No, papatay ko to. Kita ba?
Yeah.
Alright. Well, the reason bakit ko pinapatay... Uy, dumo po. Oh, tumunog. Tumunog yung red. Na-capture?
Mhm.
Okay. Hindi ako gagalaw ha. Okay. Meron po akong gustong subukan. Kung hindi nyo po mamasamain, hinahanap ko po ang lalaking nakaupo dito sa hagdanan na nagpakita kay JV. Nais ko po kayo sanang samahan sa mga oras na ito. Maaari nyo po ba akong tabihan? Kung di nyo humamasamain, maaari nyo po ba akong tabihan sa mga oras na ito? Alam nyo guys, hindi ko alam kung hangin na nanggagaling sa labas, pero meron akong malamig na breeze na nararamdaman sa likod ko.
Can you move that thing?
Ha?
Can you move that thing na doon siya mag-face yung device na yun?
This one?
Yeah.
Hindi nga ako baka makuha ko ng motion sensor, pero sige, pag tumunog yung motion sensor, baka false positive kasi gagalaw ako. Inaanyayahan ko po kayo na maupo dito sa tabi ko. Pwede nyo hawakan to. Hindi ako nasa-sense ng motion sensor, no?
No.
No?
Hindi.
Maaari niyo po... Sense ako. Ako yun. Naging big movement ko. Maaari mo ba kayong tumabi dito sa aking harapan? Ibibigay ko po ang kamay ko sa inyo. Maaari niyo po ba akong hawakan? Tumalamig dito sa tabi ko. Gilabutan ako. Wow. After 6 months of pahinga po.
Hiatus.
It's weird and exciting na ma-feel ko ulit yung ganito sa mga oras na ito. I wish maramdaman nyo to dito ngayon sa tabi ko. I'm not shitting you. Lumalamig yung pakiramdam ng tabi ko. Ah! Wow! 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 Kung kaya mo i-zoom, oh my gosh!
Yun naman.
Maaari niyo po ba akong hawakan? Pwede niyo po bang hawakan ang kamay ko? It's weird na lumalamig siya. Pero hindi siya hangin. It's weird. I'm no psychic, guys. I'm not the guy with the ESP or third eye. But it's weird. Yung nararamdaman ko ngayon, I'm telling you, para niyo po bang hawakan ang kamay ko sa huling pagkakataon? Bibilangan ko po kayo. In 3, 2, and 1. Okay, I think I have to try. No, that's me. That's me. Okay.
Magandang gabi, ako si Jojo, native ng Tayabas City, alawin ng Quezon. Ito yung tinatawag na Casa Comunidad bilang Casa Tribunal, parang Supreme Court ng panahon. And then later on, itong parang Malacanang naman, guest house. Dito rin nanungkulan si President Manuel Quezon bilang gobernador. And then, nung panahon ng Amerikano, naging eskwela naman to, education during the most influential ng mga kano. Ang daming transformation. Una daw ito sa native materials, tapos naging bahay ng bato na usually yung ilalim ang adobe, sa taas kahoy. Nasira yun nung panahon ng Hapon dahil binomba ito to flush out the Japanese soldiers. Recent history, naging seat of government ulit ito kasi dito nag-opisina yung isang mayor namin. Kung sa kwento ng kababalagan ay napakadami po. Lahat ng building guard na duty dito may kanya-kanyang karanasan. As for me, ang naranasan ko lang ay yung pag nagmamadali ka sa paggawa ng report, tsaka sila nakikipagkaparo-asan, parang nangungulit, na may mararamdaman kang malamig na hangin sa likod mo, gano'n. Pero hanggang doon lang naramdaman ko, my personal experience. There was one time na may guest dito na may open daw ang third eye, tapos yung part dyan na sa stairs sa may children's library, mabigat nga daw ang hakbang doon. Tapos may isa pa na ayaw niya umakyat kasi baka daw lapitan siya, kaya lumabas na lang siya. Ang kadalasan ay yung nahihirapan nga silang umakyat dito kumpara dito sa stairs na malaki. Mas mahirap daw umakyat dito.
Meron po bang prominent na ano po, yung sinasabing talagang nagmumulto po ba dito? Kung ano po yung name na pwedeng itawag po sa multo, mababae man or lalaki po? Kung meron man po.
Actually, meron. Ewan ko lang kung paano nagpakilala yung sabi basta Esperanza daw ang pangalan ng babae.
Esperanza based po kanino? Nanggaling yan
Sa mga building guards, kung narinig yung kwento.
I'm thinking, baka mamaya hangin na nagagaling. Kaso wala, hindi siya hangin na dumadampi eh.
Tumatambay siya.
Nakatambay yung lamig niya, nakatambay yung lamig niya. So it's weird, kaya kilabot ako kasi for 6 months hindi ko nagawa ito ulit. So this is the first time. So I'm always amazed of everything na nangyayari, nakaka-capture it, but we're just getting started. So how was it? What do you think?
Still waiting kung anong kasunod. Kasi parang ayaw nilang
Yeah? But ano sa tingin niyo yung nangyayari?
Pero amazing yung...
Yeah, that sound box. That's something else. Kakaiba siya.
Yeah. Well, normally, in every investigation na ginagawa namin, yun yung big guns namin eh. Once na ginamit mo yung motion sensor, sobrang sensitive niya. Nakaka-detect siya talaga ng anything, any movement. Pero, it's not just me here, hindi lang si Apple, nandito kayo. Nakikita niyo kung saan nakatutok.
Yeah.
Kung may dumaang daga o whatever, wala.
And to think na nag-open siya, nag-activate siya on your cue. Like the
Yeah.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, and hindi yun once.
Yeah.
I think twice ba po o thrice? Thrice.
Right.
Yes.
It could have been better if pinagsabay niya kasi nangyayari naman
Yes,
yun
nangyayari
usually.
yun. For transparency, bakit tayo may dalang radyo? Kasi mamaya, para pagkiwalay kami ni Apple, madaling magtawagan. But, you see, wala akong ginagawa.
Naka-off pa.
Naka-off yan. Kaya pala binuksan. So, papatayan ko yan. See? Nakapatayan. So, gagamitin lang natin yan kapag kailangan namin magtawagan. If ever. Pero I don't think kailangan natin magagamit natin. So, yeah. Let's transfer. Thank you to the soldier. Thank you so much. And to the guy sitting here on the stairs. Thank you so much. I hope we encounter you again later. Parang area to na yun.
Which one? This one?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Diyan niya nakita
Okay.
yung paa.
No, that's not where I saw the
Ah.
Ah, really? That's not, no, it's not the area.
Wait a minute, what's this?
CR.
CR.
Lahat ng toilet. CR. Mayor and senior.
Ito po, dito tayo kasi ito, isa sa spot na kanina ko pati tinitignan. I don't, maybe naglalaro lang utak ko, pero I think there is something in here.
Ano na with person inside? Bumigit yung left leg ko.
Kanina?
Ngayon.
Now?
Now.
Come here, bro. Check it out. Sige, puntahan mo muna.
Pwedeng i-touch?
Yes, po yan.
Yeah.
Ay, nakalock.
Grabe, parang footsteps, parang tumatakbo.
May room pala dito din.
Yeah, dyan kami dati. Oo. Dito nakalagay.
Ah, bintana na.
Oh.
Yeah.
That's our previous office.
Hello? Kung matatakotin ka, mag-freak out ka dyan sa tunog ng bintana. Kung hindi mo siya alam.
Parang may sudden footsteps kasi.
Yes, yes. So, ganito gagawin natin. I want you guys to stay here. But this time, we're gonna use the other equipments. Maglalatag tayo in this entire hallway. I wanna try dito kasi kanina ko pa ito tinitignan and I feel like there's something in this hallway, itong area na to. So, at least sila guys, at least kayo, the next time na makanood kayo ng ghost hunting video, alam nyo na if it's legit or if it's real or if it's staged. Pero kasi sa editing, nadadali nila sa editing madalas. Oo nga.
Yeah, it's been blinking.
Reading niya ako.
Meron siyang... Wait. Dito ka po. This is the cat ball. It's a motion ball. Let's see kung gagalaw to. Pwede niya paglaruan. That's nice. Patay ilaw po. It's detecting something in EMF natin. Gusto po namin magsabi ng magandang gabi sa inyo. Ang pangalan ko po ay si Riv. Kasama ko sa mga oras na ito ay si
Apple.
Ivy.
JV.
magandang gabi po. Maaaring kilala nyo si Ivy and si JV. Okay. So, it's calibrating. Hindi ko po alam kung nasan kayo eh. Mario ba kayong magpakita ng sign kung nasan kayo para naman po alam namin kung saan namin kayo hahanapin? Baka ho nandito lang kayo sa likod namin.
Si Esperanza.
Oh yeah. Hinahanap po namin si Esperanza. Esperanza.
Hi, sis.
Sumagot siya.
Kausapin niyo nga. Miss
Kausapin
Ivy.
niyo nga.
Kilabutan ako. Oh my God, buong katawan.
It's still there. It's still there. It's still there.
Hi.
Kausapin niyo.
Oh my God.
Ivy, come here. Come here.
Oh my God.
Come here.
Nagluluha ako.
Come here. It's still there.
Ay, gustong gusto niya.
Oh my gosh.
Hi, Esperanza. Kung ikaw man yan, sana, natutuwa ka dun sa mga performances namin. Napapanood mo ba kami? Napapanood mo ba kami? Oh, naluluha
It's
ako.
continuously,
Naluluha ako. Kinikilabutan ako.
Oh.
Hi! Oh
Kinilabutan
my
niya
God.
na kung
Buong katawan. Buong
Oh
katawan.
my gosh. Alam nyo guys, alam mo kung may gumagalaw kasi may laser grid tayo.
Yep.
Makikita nyo kung may gumagalaw. But, wala.
So, paano?
Sige, kausapin mo nga, Ivy. Esperanza, if that is you, is that your real name? If Esperanza po ba talaga ang pangalan nyo? Kanina, I'm inviting you to come to us. Pinatunog mo na yung motion sensor ulit, pero hindi mo naman pinapatunog yung ibang bagay. Maaari mo bang lapitan o baka naman kaya mo na pailawin niya ng sabay-sabay. Pag ginawa mo yon, ipagpapasalamat na. Make it stop. Stop, stop, stop.
Tigil muna. Tigil.
Stop. Nasaan ka? Is that you, Esperanza? Stop. Stop. Okay, stop. Wait a minute. Stop. Stop. Wait.
Catball na lang, Esperanza. Hindi yatain si Esperanza.
Possible ba na ganyan?
Ikaw ba si Esperanza? Kung hindi ikaw si Esperanza, hawakan mo alinman sa mga bagay na yan.
Hindi siya si Esperanza.
Wait a minute. Wait, bakit hindi ka tumitigil? Stop, 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 stop. Stop, 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 stop. Stop. Are you in front of me? Wait, wait, stop, stop, stop. What the fuck?
Nakatitig ka ba sa amin?
Where are you? Where are you?
Oh.
You're there?
Isang cat ball lang, pailawin mo. Kahit isa lang dyan.
Hawakan mo yung dilaw na ilaw na yon. Pwede ba? Stop, stop, stop. Stop. Can you stop? Can you stop? Wait, ano yun? Can you stop? Can you stop? Wait, wait, wait. Stop. Stop, stop, stop.
Feeling ko gusto nila yung
Yung
music.
kanta.
The music.
Kasi ano to pong may mga nagpe-perform dito. So,
Yeah. Pwede
gustong
na.
gusto nila yung ano,
Teka.
Speak Softly Love. Speak Softly kasi pong dapat.
Speak softly.
Yes.
Let's try this one more time. I don't know if you're Esperanza, pero
Yung EMF natumba.
calibrating. Calibrating. If you are Esperanza, touch any of those equipments. Hawakan mo naman alin man dun sa mga nakikita mo. Nandito ka ba sa aming harapan?
Good.
Thank you.
Good.
Thank you, thank you. So at least, nag-match yung EMF and yung motion sensor natin. So that's an anomaly. That's an anomaly. Thank you. Nakikita mo yung mga...
Nandyan siya siguro talaga.
Gusto niya yung music, I think.
Gusto mo ba yung music? Gusto mo yung music ba? Alam mo,
Yung isa nga pong, yung ano mo, yung tan tan tan, ano yun? Yung Roman Reigns mo. Ay, sorry.
Stay where you are. Meron pa akong gustong ipakita sa iyo, ha? Ito. Wait a minute.
See, lumapit ka, hindi siya tumunog.
Wait. Gusto mo ng music? Come on, where are you? If you're there, kung nandyan ka, hawakan mo naman yung dilaw na ilaw. Oh. Pwede ba yon? Mahirap ba para sa'yo yon? Baka naman pwede mo. Or nakikita mo ba yung bola sa harapan mo? Nakikita mo ba yung mga bola sa harapan mo? Pwede mo bang pagalawin yan?
Andun siya.
Wow.
Okay. Pero sana yung dilaw na ilaw.
Ayun o, sabay. Pailawin mo nga lahat, pwede ba yon? Sabay-sabay nga. Sabay-sabay nga. Wait. Can you stop? Bibilang ako 3 pailawin mo lahat ng sabay-sabay. Wait, stop. What the fuck? Nawala yung music.
Dapat nagsasound din yung kapisa.
Uy, nawala yung music ko. Oo. Stop.
Wala music. Yung isa, dapat may sound din.
Oh my God, what happened?
Doon mo ilagay sa malayo.
Nawala yung tunog nito po. Pero pagka pumula, may nadedetect siya pero nawala yung music din.
Mm.
If you're here in front of us, can you knock 3 times? Pwede mo bang gayahin tong gagawin ko? Pwede ka bang kumatok? Ulitin ko. Kung nandito ka talaga sa aming harapan, pwede ka bang kumatok? Pwede mo bang gayahin to? Ulitin ko, maaari mo bang gawin ang pagkatok ng 3 beses tulad nito? Last chance. Tulad kanina, bibigyan kita ng huling pagkakataon. Bibilang ako 3. Pagbilang ko 3, hawakan mo alin man sa mga gamit. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Ganito. Layo tayo. Pupunta tayo sa hallway. Kung steady man, bukas ilaw. Saglit. Okay, it's okay. Pero iiwan natin to. 3, 2, and 1. Tara, iwan natin. Alis tayo lahat. Dito. Dito tayo. Layo.
Hindi, nakalagay kasi be quiet daw. I guess you have questions. Be quiet.
Hi, ako nga pala si Zaldi Panganiban, Kuya Zay. Ghost Tech para investigator equipment. So, bali sa motion sensor, lahat ng mga bagay na gagalaw ay madidetect na ito. Kahit na ito pa ay spirit or entity na gumalaw, na dumaan at nasa pool ng motion sensor na ito, basta may gumalaw at tutulogin ito, magti-trigger off ito. Isa sa mga ginawan ko ng ating kaibigan na si I.M. Reverie, ipinakita niya sa akin yung clip ng kanyang investigation. Tinanong niya sa akin kung ano yung gamit ko na sensor doon sa music box na pinagawa niya sa akin. So, sabi ko, motion sensor yon. Dahil merong isang bagay na umiilaw doon which is wala naman akong nilagay na ganong ilaw doon sa music box na yun. Nung makita ko yung nag-flicker na ilaw na yun, nag-flicker siya eh. Malapit siya doon sa sa music box. Then pagka-flicker niya gano'n, tapos yung music box magti-trigger off. Then sasabay yung nandoon, medyo malayo, yung pinaglalagyan ng EMF niya na digital. Sabay tutunog yun. So, para sa confirmation, ang music box na yun ay motion sensor. So, bali, yung clip na yun ay static yun. Iniwan ni Iron Reverie yung equipment doon sa hallway at makikita nyo doon, pag napanood nyo, yung ilaw na nagpi-flicker doon, mapapaisip kayo kung ano yun eh. So, bali, nagtanong sa akin si Tol Iron Reverie kung ano sa palagay ko kung ano yun. Dahil nga, gumamit siya ng laser grid. Diba? Tapos, yung isang part na yun na napakalapit, sobrang, akala mo kung titingnan mo, galing siya doon sa music box eh. Pero hindi siya galing sa music box. Katabi siya ng music box. Nasa ibabaw siya ng music box. Halos, kung titingnan mo doon sa video. No? Ang sabi ko kay Tol Iron Reverie na tingin ko, yan ay manifestation ng spirits. Kasi, siya laser eh. Pag dadaan siyang ganon, mag-flicker yung parang ilaw ng laser, andun lang siya, naglalaro, tapos tutunog na yung music box. Napakaganda ng ginawang investigation ni Iron Reverie dito.
So guys, right here sa kabila, iniwan namin dun sa malayo, and yung motion sensor natin tumutunog pa rin for some reason. Hopefully pa tumunog yung ibang bagay pa. Tumigil.
Huh?
Something.
Hindi siya scary, it's exciting, especially kapag tumutunog yung mga equipment. Tumutunog siya on its own.
Ayoko na. Water na gusto ko po. Thank you po.
Lalo na dun sa area dun sa may hagdan. Tumutunog siya on its own.
Ay, wag mo na kuya. Wag mo na umakyat.
Hindi, may kinakabahan kasi you never know what's
Pero wag kayo magsalita ah.
Pero, yung mga sensors kasi, yung hawak ko, kita mo yung parang nasa Ghostbusters, bumubuka siya, tumutunog siya na pusa. Tapos, oo.
Sabi ko nga kay Kuya, nagkagantuan po kami dito. Diba? Nag-aalis kami ng antok. Pero parang naririnig ko yung equipment nila na tumutunog.
Yun. Yung kanina nandun kami
Na
sa
parang
hagdan
nandito,
doon.
part
Oo.
nga kay Sal, parang nasa parking gate na ngayon.
Nandito
Naririnig
na
ko
kami.
po yung
Ano ba yun? Pinarinig ako. Tit, 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 tit. Baka yung iPad. Tit, 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 tit.
Maganda
Hindi
yun.
narinig?
Maganda yun if,
Dinig ba dito?
Baka I heard it. Tit, tit,
Side,
tit,
nasaan
tit.
side tayo?
Dito.
Yung
parang
unang hagdan.
dito.
Ay, yung malapit sa kanya.
Ito yung unang hagdan. Ito yung dito tayo ngayon.
Ito mismo.
Oo.
Asa maririnig natin?
I don't know, I heard tit, 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 tit.
Maririnig mo dito. Kaya nga sabi ko Kuya, kapag naririnig mo
God, oh. Pati nga Roman Reigns tumutunog na.
Tunog na. Si Roman.
Look! Listen.
Wait.
Wala.
Tumunog na.
Roman Reigns. Yes. So, hindi lang isa, dalawa sila.
Oh.
Sabi ko sa'yo, yung area na yun, spot yung hallway na yun, kanina ko pa siya tinitignan. May something talaga. Hopefully tumunog yung EMF na, yung EMF na ano, nandun sa doorknob. I feel like there's something inside that door. Tunog siya. Guys, tumutunog siya. So hindi na namin inano yun. Kumbaga, debunk na agad yun. Hindi natin yun yung na footsteps. Yun nga lang, hindi natin alam kung merong totoong footsteps or ano ng hangin. Pero definitely, equipments natin, nagre-respond talaga. On my cue. On my cue. Pag sinabi ko, now, or 3, 2, 1, tunog, yes. And that's what we're looking for, yung on cue. Yung command mo, on cue. Kasi hindi pa pwedeng coincidence, 3 beses sa sunod-sunod. Hindi siya coincidence. Nag-iwan kami ng static cam sa isang hallway. Kaya ngayon tumutunog. Kung maririnig nyo dyan, naririnig namin, tumutunog yung equipment. Dalawang motion sensor yun. Okay, we're back. Well, I hope we captured something. Thank you so much.
Uy, B.
Okay. Oh my God!
You can call me Tita Apple.
I don't mean to scare you.
I'm not scared of you. Hindi ako takot sa'yo. Ikaw ba yun?
Ibang-iba siya talaga dun sa mga napanood namin.
Sige, kalat ka na.
Paglakad ng pag-isa.
Hey, soldier. Right there. Uy, what the fuck?
Iyak. Alam mong galing somewhere deep.
Guys, ayan.
Ang layo ko.
Uy!